Those who have joined late, please, for those students, what is wave? Again, I am explaining. All of you concentrate. Students, here we have taken stone. Okay, when that stone falls on a water surface, what is this? This is what water surface. Okay, when this stone falls on a water surface, what we observe? We observe some circular patches. Okay, these circular patches form. It is always move from center to outer side. Okay, so this is direction of wave. Okay, so and why these circular patches forms? Circular patches forms due to water molecule oscillates up and down. That is the second point. Okay, the first point you understood: drop a stone on the surface of a water. Second point: water molecule oscillates up and down. When I will teach you now, you try to recall or memorize, keep that points into memory. Third point. What is the third point? You have to show the direction. What is direction? It is always from center to outward. The direction of the disturbances created by the dropping the stones travels outward. That is the third point. The first point, drop a stone. Second, water molecule oscillate up and down. Third, direction is always outwards. Of what? That disturbances. That is third point. What is the fourth point? There is a flow. Flow of what? Energy and momentum. So this type of wave is periodic, which causes the flow of energy and momentum from one point to another. Okay, that is a fourth point. And what is the fifth point? Fifth point, you have to say there is a no flow of material medium. There is no flow of material of the medium. Okay, material move nahi hota. Only what will move or what will flow? Energy and momentum. So these are what? 5 points you have to write down. Hope so everyone understood how to write. Okay. Now next question. So now question from the student is what? Sir, now we understood what is wave. But will you tell me what are the types of waves? So what is the first? So what is the next question? Type of waves or waves. Okay. So first type we have to study mechanical waves. Okay. So wave is said to be mechanical if a material medium is essential. If a material medium is essential. For example, if I speak something, my voice is coming from my side to your side. Why? Because of air. Suppose if I remove the air from the surrounding, what will happen? Definitely first we will die. Okay. But if I keep oxygen mask and you also keep oxygen mask, what will happen? We both will survive. But what will happen? Whatever we speak, no, that doesn't come from my side to your side. Why? Because there is no air molecules. If I remove air molecules, then sound does not flow from one point to another point. Everyone understood? That means such wave is called mechanical wave. So I have taken example. I will say it's a sound wave. Understood? So sound wave is a mechanical wave. This particular water molecule disturbances. If there is no water molecule, if I drop a stone, definitely there is no such patches will form. So such wave which require material medium. Understand, students? Whenever I say it's a material medium, this is essential for its propagation. Then such wave is called mechanical wave. Try to keep this definition when I will explain you during what? Lecture. Okay. So that what? Your habit will what? Increase. Whenever you will learn, you always keep in your mind. Okay. I will go slow if possible. Okay. So this is what? Mechanical wave. Second type. EM wave. What is the full form of EM wave? It's a electromagnetic wave. Okay. EM wave ka full form is what? It's a electromagnetic wave. Okay. It's an electromagnetic wave. So the name itself is an electric and magnetic field. That wave consists of electric and magnetic field. So let me complete the definition. Waves are generated due to periodic vibration in electric and magnetic field. What is EM waves? EM waves are generated due to periodic vibration in electric and magnetic fields. Okay, this wave can propagate through a material medium, but that is not compulsory. It does not essential for the material medium is not essential. But if material medium is present, this particular wave can travel, or if material medium is not present, then EM wave also travel. What is a simple example? Who will tell me? Light of sun. You know that there is no atmosphere between earth and sun. Okay, around the earth there is an atmosphere, but far away from the earth there is no atmosphere. Though there is no material medium, though there is no air particles or air molecules, then also that ray or light come from sun to here. Understood, students? So what is EM wave? EM waves are what? Is a generated due to periodic vibration of electric and magnetic field. This wave require or propagated through material medium, or it doesn't require, but that is not, material medium is not essential for the propagation of EM waves. Example, light of sun. Hope so everyone understood. Say yes or no.